Welcome to this session on Test Automation Fundamentals, a key strategy for scaling quality assurance, improving consistency, and accelerating delivery in modern software projects. Test automation involves writing scripts or using tools to execute tests automatically without manual intervention. It's especially valuable for regression testing, repetitive tasks, and verifying features across multiple environments. Let's start with the core benefits of automation. Speed. Automated tests run faster than manual ones, especially in large suites. Repeatability. Same tests can be executed consistently across builds. Coverage. More tests can be run in less time, increasing test depth. Early detection. Automated tests can be integrated into CI/CD pipelines to catch bugs early. Not everything should be automated. The best candidates include regression tests, data-driven tests with multiple inputs, high-risk features, stable mature components. Avoid automating. Tests for features still under frequent change, UI tests with unstable layouts, one-off or exploratory tests. There are various levels of automation. One non-unit tests written by developers to validate code logic. 2 API tests validate backend logic and services. 3 UI tests simulate user interactions with the interface. Popular automation tools include Selenium or Cypress for web UI, Appium for mobile apps, TestNG, Junit or PyTest for unit testing, Postman or Rest Assured for API testing. Best practices for automation. Use a test framework that supports assertions, logging, and reporting. Follow naming conventions and code organization for maintainability. Implement data-driven testing to scale test coverage with fewer scripts. Use version control and integrate with CI tools like Jenkins or GitHub Actions. Tag tests by priority or feature to run specific subsets when needed. Also, make sure you regularly review and refactor test scripts. Outdated or flaky tests can slow teams down and erode trust in automation. In Agile and DevOps environments, test automation is essential for continuous testing and fast feedback. It complements, not replaces, manual testing, especially for usability, accessibility, and exploratory validation. To summarize, test automation improves speed, consistency, and coverage. Choose the right scope and tools based on stability and test level. Maintain your scripts with the same discipline as production code. In the next session, we'll explore how to choose automation tools that align with your team's skills, tech stack, and goals. Let's keep building.